In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cinematic title animation in Canva. We'll build a bold, dramatic title by combining a hollow outline, a glowing duplicate, and a slick animated reveal. Follow along in your Canva design and keep your text selected as we go. Start by opening the text panel on the left and add a heading. Type your title, then make it big so it dominates the frame. You can drag the corner handles or use the font size box. Go large enough that it reads clearly even on smaller screens. A heavier font often works best for this look because the outline will feel richer and more cinematic. With the title selected, open Effects and choose Hollow. Increase the intensity to 10 so the outline is thick and confident. This creates a clean, wireframe-style base that will sit beneath our glow and add structure to the design. Next, duplicate the text using the duplicate icon. Drag the new copy directly over the original so they line up perfectly. Use Canva's pink smart guides, or tap the arrow keys to nudge until the edges match. This stacked setup is the secret to getting both the crisp outline and the neon glow at the same time. With the duplicate still selected, stay in Effects and switch it to Neon. Instantly, you'll see the glow fill the interior while the original hollow layer holds the outline. The two layers now work together to create depth. Now let's animate it. Click Animate at the top, choose the neon animation, and set it to Character so each letter lights up individually. Push the intensity slider all the way up for a strong cinematic pulse. Character level animation gives that polished title sequence feel where letters come to life one by one. For color, click the current color swatch and pick a hue that suits your vibe. Cool blues for sci-fi, warm ambers for drama, or a vibrant magenta for a modern edge. Because the neon effect keys off your text color, this single change controls the glow and makes it pop against your background. When you're ready to see it in motion, hit the play button to preview. Watch for alignment, legibility, and contrast. If the glow overpowers the outline, you can return to your layers and fine-tune by reselecting effects as needed. Small adjustments in size and color can dramatically change the mood. And that's it. A clean hollow base, a neon duplicate, character-based neon animation, and a quick preview. You've just created a cinematic title animation in Canva that's ready to drop into your next project.